considering the fact that the chicken industry has been making record profits recently, why is it that the USDA is spending billions of taxpayer money to bail those companies out? They're doing fine on their own. This is an operating expense for them, not something the public should be paying for.
Mr. Silverstein, stop paying. Stop the virtual bailout. Stop funding factory farms.
Stop funding factory farms.
Stop funding factory farms.
Stop funding. Don't use taxpayer money to fund their problems. Stop their problems.
Stop funding factory farms.
Stop the $1 billion bailout.
Stop funding factory farms.
Stop taxpayer money.
Stop funding